What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the Financial Corner with your boy Buck Bandit P, where we break down investing for everyday people so we could go out here and get this money. You already know, man, no excuses, no shortcuts, just progress. So before we get into it, you already know if you want your free stock, your free share of Robinhood, click the link down below in the bio. You get a free share, I get a free share. You already know. If you want a free $100, all you gotta do is open up a high yield savings account with Allah. Click the link below. You already know. Got some credit offers. You want to build your credit. We got a bunch of stuff down there. Just click the links below. You already know. You know what I mean? Before we get into it, like the channel, subscribe. If you like the information that I'm dropping on y'all here today, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can tap in every time we upload a video. So let's get right into it, yo. 3 stocks that you should stay away from this year. These stocks you should not buy. Don't even look at them. Don't pay attention to them. When you hear these, run. It's like when you see somebody on the side of the street and you be like, man, these niggas got hoodies on. I ain't no bitch ass nigga, but I'm across the street though. Cross the street on these stocks. Do not buy these joints. So let's get right into it. Number one on my list, man, and y'all gonna crucify me too, because this was in my top 5 AI stock. If you ain't seen my top 5 AI stocks video, make sure you go watch that before you come back here, and then, you know what I mean, so you can crucify me and be like, dog, you said da-da-da. That's why I gotta upload these videos every week so I can keep, you know what I mean? Because I might have said something that was right. It might have looked right. It might have been like, yo, this is a good joint. And then it was like, oh, no, this is a bad joint. I'm crossing the street. So number 1 on my list is Adobe. I said this company is too big. This is a giant. They got too much market share. Everybody know Adobe. I gave y'all the whole spiel, didn't I? Yeah, I'm looking crazy right now. Adobe, since the year started, I think since I dropped that video, this should have just been off the motherfucking, like, since I dropped that video, this shit fell off a cliff. Like, yo, I don't know if they watching my joints or something. They like, yo, sell this joint. Buck Bandit P, he talking about this joint. We cashing out now. So let's get into it. Why is Adobe a stock you want to stay away from? Because it is too much AI uncertainty killing all of their, it's eating all their lunch, basically. So let's get into it. We got Sora. Everybody likes Sora. Everybody making these AI videos with them jumping out of airplanes and then landing in a Ferrari with $1 million in a supermodel. Oh, that's decent. That's dope. But the bigger story behind this is, that's something Adobe did. Adobe was the big AI, the big Photoshop people. Now, who uses Adobe? Like, I really had to go and do my research after I dropped that video. I say, hold up, I can't give my people this. I gotta double back and check what I'm saying. But Adobe, Canva on top of Sora, Canva, everybody using Canva, and you can't forget about Google and all of this generative AI. And all generative AI is when you get on your ChatGPT and be like, yo, make me a picture of all the stuff I just said. That's all it is, generative AI off of generating stuff just off of words or off of sentences. Like, so with all of that being said, Adobe is in trouble. It's like, remember when Netflix came out and Blockbuster didn't want to assimilate? They were like, no, we gonna rest on our laurels. People still gonna come in and they gonna want to buy. Nobody just gonna want to stream stuff from their TV. What is that anyway? This is that time now. A lot of industries are changing. Like, a lot of companies are going to crumble. A lot of giants. And I got a feeling this is the beginning of that. Like, Adobe is about to be, I think this is the beginning of everybody at the top taking profits. Because if you look, I'm gonna put it up here, Adobe been down like 40% since the beginning of the year. For year to date, is that, well, like what, 30% since the beginning of the year, more than 30. Since like year to date is down almost 50%. Like, Adobe's in trouble. Adobe is in trouble, and I wouldn't go near this stock with a 10-foot pole. I'm sorry that I told y'all about it. If I told y'all about it and you put your money in it and you down on this stock, sell this now and just reposition yourself into something else. Cause I got more stocks. I got plenty of stuff on there for you to choose from. And a lot of the stuff I said is up, but this one is definitely not. So let's get into the second stock you want to stay away from. Do not buy this stock, stay away from this. I lost so much money because I'm thinking, oh no, it's a giant. Giants don't fall. Giants do fall. Giants do crumble. But I don't think Adobe is going to crumble anytime soon. I think it's going to take some years for them to crumble. I don't think they. But my second stock, this stock is not going to crumble, but they're not going to get back to the peak that they was at last year no time soon. And the second one is Oracle. Oracle they have done too much spending on this AI boom that they was praying that was gonna come to fruition, that investors is like, yo, y'all spun too much money and y'all ain't making nothing back. We repositioning into something else. And Oracle is feeling the brunt of it. I mean, Oracle, I think, is down like 40% from its all-time highs. It's not getting back there no time soon. Like, and the reason why is because the AI spending is drying up. Nobody is spending no more money on AI. They're repositioning. Like, so they moving away from all of that. And Oracle was one of the leaders in that, because the thing is, when it was the race to AI, everybody's spending all of this money to try to be the leader. But when it don't come to fruition, now you just spent a lot of money and didn't make nothing. The investors do not like that. So Oracle has been on a downslide for like the past 6 months, honestly, since like November or something. Oracle has been on a crazy downslide. And the reason that it drove the stock up last year was because of the AI hype. So with that out of the picture, like, we can see what it is. Analysts, they cut the price target. They lower expectations because they spent too much money on AI and they're not making any revenue back from it. So I would not touch this company with a 10-foot pole. Stay away from Oracle. I wouldn't even do puts on it. Like, I wouldn't be doing no options right now. I sold all my options. Like, I'm not doing no options. I'm just cash heavy. I'm buy and hold, just heavy on my buy and hold on my companies that I know are good, strong companies that I'm strongly believing that's going to definitely mature over the next couple of years. And them two is not it. And this third one definitely ain't it. This third one has been struggling for a while, but it just has so much market share that it's going to be hard for it to get it out the way. And that's the thing about a large company. When they have so much market share, they just die slowly. Because what die slowly mean is the people at the top cashing out, company go under. Like, and then everybody left holding the bag. So the third company, PayPal. Do not buy PayPal, please. PayPal is not going out of business no time soon because they are integrated in so many of these stores that we go into that we don't even know. We just go bloop and pay our joint. That's PayPal. You don't even realize it because we don't know. We don't do our homework. But the reason PayPal is in trouble, when we go bloop now, what do? I know I do it. Like, my wife put me on when I met her years ago when she was my girlfriend. Like, I'm like, what? How you do that? How you pay with your phone? Apple Pay, Google Pay, all of that. They are eating PayPal's lunch. Like, cause you gotta think going forward, are people going to be tapping with their phone and their watches and their glasses and all of this crazy, or they gonna be pulling their cards out? No, people ain't gonna be tapping with all of the electronics. We already know. Like, they gonna have stuff where you ain't even gotta pull your wallet out. You just go to the store, get what you want, bloop, 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 charge your car. Like, so we see where the world is going, and PayPal is going to get its lunch ate because, one, all of these other companies are doing the same thing they're doing. And the reason why it's so important, they're not charging what PayPal charges. The fees and the transaction fees are less. You see what I'm saying? So the growth is not there. They don't have nowhere to go. What they gonna do? Like, charge more? Like, people already undercut them. They already charging less. So unless they do some crazy innovation, I don't see PayPal coming back no time soon. Like, Q4 earnings for 2025 missed revenue. Like, and the outlook for 2026 is weak. Like I said, growth is stalling. PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Wallet, Stripe, like, faster, cheaper, and it's integrated payment because it's on your Apple Pay, is on your Apple phone. Like, the world is changing, and I'm hoping y'all see it so we can get in front of where all the money is going. Like, all we gotta do is get in front of it a little bit, and you can change your family last name. You can change the trajectory of your whole family bloodline just by applying a little bit of this little, you know what I mean, knowledge. You know what I mean, for the next 5-10 years, you could change your whole life. Like, so that's 3 stocks I would advise y'all to stay away from, man, because the world is changing and it ain't going back. Once you let the genie out the bottle, it ain't going back in. So let's go over it again. My number 1 stock you want to stay away from is Adobe. I'm sorry, crucify me in the chats. I know I told y'all this was my top 5 AI stocks. This is why this is the redo. My bad. Talk shit to me in the chats. Whatever you gotta do, dog. Hate mail the shit out of me. I'm cool. I ain't gonna report you. It's all love. And my second one, Oracle. Do not buy this stock. I know Oracle, Larry Ellison, dope. Everybody, oh, he can borrow this stock. Yo, listen, fuck all that. Oracle is a bad. You don't want to stay away. You want to stay away from it. They not gonna go out of business no time soon, and they might come back about 4 or 5 years. And trust me, I'm gonna update it once we start seeing the story change and all that. I got you. But right now, the story is in the shitter, and is way more other plays that we could do to fuck with motherfucking Oracle. And lastly, PayPal. Honestly, I think PayPal's done. Unless they do some crazy innovation over the next years, I think like about 2030, we're going to hear PayPal went out of business. It's a wrap. It's over. So thank y'all for being here. Thank you for coming back to the Financial Corner. You already know, like the page, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. Tap in. Follow your boy on IG too, because I be dropping some heat over there too. So you already know, man. You know the motto, man. Let's go out here and get this money.